Tootsy Maki roll, America's crunchy delight. A beloved staple in sushi restaurants across America, the Tootsy Maki roll is simple, delicious, and irresistibly crunchy. This roll features the familiar flavors of snow crab salad, crisp cucumber, and savory cooked shrimp, sushi ebi, all tightly wrapped in uramaki style, reminiscent of the ever-popular California roll. But what sets the Tootsy Maki apart is its playful twist, a generous coating of crunchy Cheeto bits that add a delightful crunch with each bite. While some variations opt for traditional tempura flakes, the Tootsy Maki embraces the bold and cheesy essence of Cheetos, creating a fusion of flavors that is uniquely American. Once assembled, the roll is cut and arranged on the plate, then served with spicy mayonnaise and teriyaki sauce, lending a perfect balance of heat and sweet that complements the richness of the crab salad and shrimp. A final touch of delicate flowers adds a hint of elegance to this vibrant dish. As you take your first bite, you'll experience a symphony of textures and flavors. The crunch of the Cheetos gives way to the tender snow crab salad and crisp cucumber, all enveloped in the umami richness of the cooked shrimp. Each bite is a delightful journey through layers of taste and texture. Perfect for those craving a playful and satisfying sushi adventure, the Tootsy Maki roll is a celebration of innovation and tradition in one delicious package. So, next time you find yourself in a sushi restaurant, don't hesitate to order the Tootsy Maki roll. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and follow for more culinary delights.